So this is the first class of a sequence of classes about physics. So we are back in physics.
The IQ Science course was put together to cover the material in the first semester of chemistry, biology, physics, math, and computer science in a completely integrated fashion. So students don't learn biology in one class period and physics in another class period. They look at a big problem from the perspective of all 5 of those disciplines. And so they're taught all of that intro course material in the context of those biologically relevant questions.
One of the unique things about IQS was that we get 10 professors and they are in the classroom learning with us.
If you look at the traditional physics class, however, this is an IQS class, right? So you need to teach whatever physics I have to teach in a context of biology or chemistry, mathematics, computer science, and of course in medicine, right? We are 10 faculty that developed this course, 5 during the first semester, 5 during the second semester, and we sit in class and we ask questions.
It's the same exact principle that Dr. Lipan is demonstrating. There's 2 relaxations that you'll talk about. It's funny, we talk about it from a different angle, but it's exactly the same phenomenon. And just to hear it from a physicist perspective rather than a chemist perspective was really good.
Someone who is perfect for this program, we would like challenges, first of all. We would like to experiment. The idea of learning something by doing it, so laboratories and experiments are certainly very important thing.
I know as an accepted student I was a little intimidated and worried about the class, and through all the hard work it's definitely worth it. The research opportunities you get and the relationships you get with the professors are worth all the late nights of homework.
19 students, 18 are staying here to do research for the summer, and so they're all already in research groups and up and going.
Well, if they're interested in science, just apply for it. It's one of the best things I've ever been part of, really.
If you really like a lot of different branches of science and you can't pick your favorite one, and you like sitting in one class and saying, gosh, we just talked about that in this class and it's really similar, this is the class that will make a lot of connections for you.
An IQ Science student is definitely a hard worker, and we don't really fit a mold. There's so many different people in the class. We have an athlete, we have computer science people, we have biology people, we have pre-med, we have people who aren't interested in that at all. There's all types of people in the class, but we all really come together.